Time for a crypto market update, Sunday, August 17th, 2025. A lot of people woke up to a pleasant surprise on a few of their blue chip cryptos, pumping upwards to 10% overnight for things like Chainlink, for example. I think one of the most useful tokens on the planet, but that's a whole different video. And now it's a really good time to kind of take a step back, realize it's a weekend and there's low volume trading on the weekends. You don't want to be fooled by low volume trading impulses, but at the same time, let's take a look at the broader market charts. We can see that the DXY, the US dollar index, is still in a massive drawdown, massive downtrend, and the dollar being weak globally encourages and fuels into money supply, the total liquidity. As that year over year net liquidity grows, it's being fueled by the suppression or the debasement of the dollar. Foreign countries are printing more money so that they can inflate away their US dollar denominated debt. And whenever liquidity is introduced, risk on assets benefit. Another great one to look at is the USDT.D. This is the largest stable coin on the planet, Tether. Its dominance, and you can see also it's in a downtrend. And as it continues to spiral downward, the alt season world is usually in that 3 and high 2%. So we want to see it break through this multi-year downtrend line as soon as possible. Now, this chart continues to be the most encouraging, for me at least, and that's the ETH BTC chart. This is Ethereum's performance as it relates to Bitcoin's performance. Now, many people watching this video got caught up in the market back during the last fall, last November, what we would call the Trump pump. This little escapade right here caught a lot of people buying the mid-cycle top. But now we have a true defined reversal of the ETH BTC chart over the all-important 30-week moving average. This is what should give you the confidence that we're truly moving into the latter innings of the ball game, and where 80% of wealth is created in the last 20% of the market. Now, thanks to Bitcoin and Ethereum, we've got the total crypto market cap making new all-time highs. But like I said, Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing the lion's share of the work here. Here's total 2, which is minus Bitcoin, and as you can see, it's really fighting that line. It technically has wicked above it, but we want to see it close the week or a week, obviously multiple weeks, above this multi-year trend line, this being an all-time high. The total 2 being led by Ethereum. Now, here's the one everybody should be interested in, and that's the others. Others chart is everything in crypto minus the top 10 market caps. As you can see, it has yet to make a new all-time high. That's both good and bad. Bad in that nothing happens until we crest the new all-time high. And when we do, it's currently in a massive consolidation, massive compression pattern, and the next move that it makes, I think, is going to be pretty darn radical. Bitcoin dominance is still decisively under its cycle top, I believe. It's under 60%, and as it continues to plummet with higher sell volume, you're going to see probably upper 40s. By that time, euphoria should be well set in. And conversely, you'll see this 57 at a 75 or higher on the alt season index. If you're still here, give me a number 3 in the comments. Let me know you're here. Let me know that this is helpful. Hey, will you do me a favor? This is my backup account at Investing Y'all Pro. My official account is at Investing Y'all Josh Rhodes. No spaces, no special characters in either of those. Will you Google the TikTok feedback form? You should get a report a problem form. Go there and let them know that you want at Investing Y'all Josh Rhodes back. I want that reinstated. Obviously, I've spent thousands of hours investing in building equity in that account so that my vision for crypto y'all, which is hospitality meets the greatest financial technology in history, can be distributed to the masses. Now, again, Only if you find my content helpful. I want to get my account back. I'm being extorted by some scammers with robot spam farms, and well, this platform's algorithm tends to favor them rather than honest people like you and I. And I think one of the only ways I'm going to get it back, and that I've gotten it back 2 times previously, is great people like yourself letting TikTok know that you want your creator back online. If you decide to help me out, I'm extremely humbled. I don't take that for granted. It's your time, it's your words, and it's the only effort I know that we can really put forth in order to get this kind of creation back online when it comes to this platform. Unfortunately, TikTok just isn't listening to me. They're giving me a lot of canned responses. And if that continues to be the case, I will continue to post content here at Investing Y'all Pro, and as well at my YouTube channel at Crypto Y'all. Subscribe there, like and follow, share this with a friend.